Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanya, and I work for NGO, which is for activities for educational system for the students. And I would like to know about WCS at IIT Dwarka.
Good morning, Tanya. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What would you like to know for WCSC IIT Dwarka from me?
Sir, please tell me something about WCS at IIT Dwarka.
Well, it's a institute which is in IIT Dwarka premises. Presently, we are having 3 courses which are of 1 year duration. We have hospitality operations, we have digital marketing and data analytics, and beauty wellness courses. Admissions are done twice a year, and the minimum qualification for the students is 12th pass. The admission process is done by the Department of Training and Technical Education, which has got other world-class skill centers also. The students close to this area get an opportunity to do a professional course which is in demand in the market, and if they do it successfully, they can get good jobs and can earn a good amount to begin with.
So you think, sir, that the activities which are being initiated in your institute, your trainers, what are they are doing during the lockdown period?
Well, the lockdown started in March, but as in other institutions, we are having online classes every day where our master trainers for hospitality and digital marketing are interacting with the students daily on the classes. Their classes are organized through webinar or Zoom, and besides this, the students are also encouraged to appear for various seminars which are being organized through Zoom and webinars, and through other educational institutions, through hotels. This is not only helping them to get a good knowledge, but during this lockdown period, they are also enhancing their skills.
So one more question arises from this question only. Which course you think is good for students and why?
Well, Tanya, it's like asking someone who has got 2 sons, which is a better one. Honestly, all the courses are good. The beauty and wellness course has its own impact. You can well understand during this COVID period, if anybody is being trained for beauty and wellness course, he can go in for tourism related, hospitality, and even in the hospitals and yoga centers. As for digital marketing and data analytics, this is the digital world. During the COVID, no touch technology is being used. So digital marketing is not only being used in retail sector or in various other activities, but it is even being applied in hospitality sector also, because now we have all activities which are online. Talking about hospitality courses, the hospitality course which we have is a 1 year course, and it has got major 4 components: housekeeping, front office, restaurant service, and some on other activities related to computers like computer accounting and various other back-end jobs. So honestly speaking, all the 3 courses have got a very good demand, and if a student is willing to work for long hours, learn the things properly, ask questions from his master trainers who are very well qualified and well trained in their fields, and seeks regular help, does his assignments regularly,